Part 4, write a function definition called isStrong, which accepts a password as a parameter and returns true if the password is strong, false otherwise. So a password is deemed strong if it contains more than 7 characters and both lowercase and uppercase letters, if it contains both of them. So the first line of the function definition will look like this: def is strong password. So I think we need to use some of our knowledge from the previous question and that, and even some of that stuff there, but look, we still need a different function here. So this is part 4, and we need part 4, don't forget to comment it out, it won't work. So what we've got here is def is underscore strong, and we're going to be taking in a password. Right, so I can call that PW or whatever I want, but down below here, I suppose, something that's important is we're going to be calling that is underscore strong. Maybe we'll store it in a variable in a moment, but we're going to give it the, and we need to call it every time, I think, in here in the loop. So we will is underscore strong, and let's pass it the password. And that is calling it there. Lovely, that's fine. So just let's double check again. So when the function definition is called isStrong, which accepts a password as a parameter, returns true if the password is strong, false otherwise. And it doesn't say for us to print anything out or anything like that, but it does say returns true and false. So maybe I should take a leap of faith here and store that in something called result, and then we can print result in a moment. So basically it will call the function isStrong. It's going to pass the password from the list of passwords. It's going to pass it each time, and then maybe we could say something like print result, just for the moment, just to see what's going on there, whether the password is strong enough. Of course, back up here to creating our function, and we have a few things going on here. So the length of the password, and I'm actually going to change this to p underscore word here. I could have used whatever, but just short. So if the length of the password is greater than 7, so if it's greater than 7, that's one condition. And of course, I suppose we still need to calculate in that password. So we need to calculate things like whether it's lowercase or uppercase. So reinventing the wheel here, but I'll copy this code and we're going to set lowercase to false, set uppercase to false. And of course we have a little bit more work up there with lowercase letters done. We're going to have to do uppercase here as well. So I'm going to just copy that. Change this all to upper case letters and change all these to capitals going on here. So it's just taking a bit of time. B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So hopefully that's all the characters in the alphabet. And so we're going to say for if character in password, if character in lowercase letters, or if character in uppercase letters. I didn't need to do that as it turned out, but I will do it now. Well, these will both be changed now to true, if that is the case. And if that is the case, then, well, we need all of these conditions to be true. So the password is deemed strong if it contains more than 7 characters and both lowercase and uppercase letters. So, lowercase here, and I can just say lowercase, which has to be true for this to execute, and uppercase, which has to be true again for it to execute. If that's the case, we're going to return true, yes, it's strong. Else, we're going to say, well, didn't pass all of those tests, so it's going to be false. So if we come through here each time, and it might be nice to see this side by side, we don't have to do this. I can just print it off once anyway. And you can see that each password here as it goes through tells us the first one, son, false, not a strong password. Sun, not a strong password. This one, this sunshine is true, so it should come after it there. So maybe if I do this and put it after, it'll make a bit more sense. But I'm going to add it in a second to really see it. So as you can see now, it's going to be a bit clear. Sun is going to be false, sun will be false. Sunshine is true, so that is more than 7 obviously. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and contains uppercase and lowercase. False there for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And moonlight's going to be sound as well. So that's perfect. But wouldn't it be, well, Jesus, I don't know, I'll leave it like that, that's grand. We didn't even have to do that, I think, for part 4 printed out. We just needed to return true or false.